Okay, it's finally here. My Google Home Mini is finally here. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this. So let's get started. So this is the Google Home Mini. I bought the charcoal one. There's 3 different colors that are offered. I'll leave a link for this device below the like button. And with this device you can do a bunch of things, including watch Netflix, listen to YouTube, and listen to your Spotify music as well. It comes with the Google Assistant. To open it, you just have to follow this. Oh yeah. So here you have your speaker, and on the top it feels like cloth material, but this over here feels rubbery, so it's not gonna like slide away. So here you have your power outlet, and then this is really important to know because this is for the microphone to be active. So right now the microphone's active. Move it this way, it's deactivated. So what that means is the speaker's microphones will be turned off and you won't be able to say "Okay Google" and ask for different things. Pretty simple. The model number, made in China. So I'm going to put this on the side over here. Underneath this we have our Let's Get Started guide, and underneath that we have our power cable, and this one's pretty cool. It's a little bit different than the Google Home. Your socket, so this will be different depending on where you are. I'm located in North America, Vancouver to be exact, so that's why I have the North American power cable. And so this goes in the wall, this goes inside over here like so. Okay, let me just put that to the side over here, and let's see what else is in this box. That's about it. Sorry about that. So in this Let's Get Started guide, so in this package you get the Let's Get Started guide, getting to know your Google Home Mini. It shows you how to set it up and the app that you need to operate it, getting to know your Home Mini, and then this goes into more details on how to use your device properly. And then finally, your safety and warranty guide. Make sure you read this before you use your device. Okay, so this is everything you get with your device, with your Google Home Mini. So you get your actual speaker, you get your power cable, you get your Let's Get Started guide, get to know your Google Home Mini, and then your safety and warranty guide. So in terms of size comparison for between the Google Home and the Puck size, it's this big. So still almost the same for the top, but you can see the size difference over here, the speaker size difference as well. And at the bottom, it's a little bit bigger at the bottom. So I really hope you liked this unboxing. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be doing a full review of this device,